So today I'll be showing you how to access stickers in the editor. So next to text, you can access different stickers to your video. With different options, you can add GIFs, gym graphics, arrows, collaborations, overlays, a whole bunch of stuff, which you can drag and drop onto the timeline. So we can split different elements and customize the length that we want. And at the end of it, we have cool animated stickers that we can overlay. So this sticker section also works as a library for your gym graphics. So you can find these saved here. So all gym graphics are all accessible through the stickers panel. We can also add gradients. So if you want a polished, more refined look, adding our gym graphics, just like to make your gym a cool layout. And then we can go to our text designs and add our text. There you go. Using our branded colors, we've added our stickers. And since the gym graphic is already animated, we can also animate different titles by going to animations. Just like that. So we have something like this. Nice and clean. So that is how you add stickers to your videos using our new sticker section. So now that our video is now complete, we can go ahead and open our library, and we can see that our stickers video is saved. We can resume editing if we wish to make any adjustments or edit a different video. And then we can tweak this depending on how we want the videos to appear. And that is how to use our sticker section. Any questions? Let us know below.